How to connect AirPods to iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're trying to connect your AirPods onto your iPhone but not sure how, then this is the easiest way to do it. First of all, unlock your iPhone and open up the Settings app on your iOS device, and inside the Settings menu, go to Bluetooth. Tap on it and make sure that the Bluetooth option is connected or turned on. Now, keep your iPods inside the case and simply open the lid of your iPod and keep it near your iPhone. You should now see a connection pop up here on your screen automatically, or your iPod will be scanned with your iPhone and it will be under the Other Devices tab. Simply go ahead and select your AirPod's name. After you do that, you will be able to connect to your AirPod and your AirPod will be connected with your iPhone. Just go ahead and pair it, follow through the on-screen instructions, and your AirPods will be connected and ready to use. Every time you open the AirPods case near your iPhone, they'll connect automatically. But make sure that your Bluetooth on your iPhone is enabled. So that's how you easily connect AirPods to your iPhone. Now you can enjoy music, calls, and videos wirelessly without any hassle. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.